Kembali lagi bersama saya Star Nation 19. Jangan lupa di follow, like, dan share. Terima kasih atas kunjungannya.
What's up guys, kembali lagi channel saya Bintang Official. Oke, di video kali ini kita akan membuat tutorial cara menggabungkan video dari avee player ke kinmaster ya guys. Sangat keren sekali guys. Kombinasinya sangat keren guys. Langsung saja kita ke tutorial guys. Sorry guys, di sini suara saya tidak ada guys, karena ada beberapa kesalahan guys. Oke, terima kasih.
Kembali lagi bersama saya Bintang Official. Jangan lupa tekan tombol like, comment, share, dan subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Terima kasih. Simak videonya baik-baik, kalau tidak pecah kepala kau. Oke.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight man. There's too many others and you're not that great man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Kembali lagi bersama saya Star Nation 19. Jangan lupa di follow, like, dan share. Terima kasih atas kunjungannya. Subscribe anjing gua capek.